Splish Splash, come with me. Let's learn swimming safely. Big blue water shining bright. Learning makes it feel just right. Wave hello and clap your hands. Let's explore the swimming land. Splash, splash, kick, kick, kick. Move your feet so nice and quick. Splash, splash, paddle too. Swimming safely, me and you. Smile so big, don't be shy. Watch the bubbles floating by. Learning every little way. Swimming fun begins today. Put your swimsuit nice and neat. Tiny sandals on your feet. Bring your towel, goggles too. Now we're ready, me and you. Find a pool that's safe and clean. The happiest you've ever seen. A grown-up stays right by your side, helping every little stride. Splash, splash, kick, kick, kick. Move your feet so nice and quick. Splash, splash, paddle too. Swimming safely, me and you. Take a breath and count to 3. Blow some bubbles happily. Bubble, bubbles, pop, pop, pop. Watch them float and never stop. Dip your chin and nose down low. Tiny bubbles start to grow. Splashing gently, smiling wide. Water fun with grown-ups by your side. Float upon the water bright, like a little star so light. Stretch your arms and lift your chin. Feel the water gently spin. Relax your body nice and slow. Feel the gentle water flow. With a trusted grown-up near, floating can be full of cheer. Splash, splash, kick, kick, kick. Move your feet so nice and quick. Splash, splash, paddle too. Swimming safely, me and you. Kick your legs with little taps, making tiny splashy claps. Kick, 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 nice and slow. Watch the happy bubbles grow. Hold the wall and kick away. Practice every single day. Soon you'll see with joyful pride, you can glide across the tide. Reach your arms and pull the water. Every son and every daughter. Pull and splash and glide along, swimming to our happy song. Big slow circles, nice and wide. Water helps you gently glide. Smile and wave and laugh out loud. Swimming makes us feel so proud. There are many ways to swim. Come and learn them one by one. Front crawl, splish, splash fast. Gliding quickly, moving past. Backstroke floating on your back. Watching clouds along the track. Breaststroke slow and nice. Smooth and gentle, oh so nice. today. We'll be back again to play, swimming safely step by step, learning with every happy
Hi friends!
breath.
Thank you for swimming with Chuku and Mom today. Please subscribe and click the bell for more fun and safe adventures. Split Splash! See you next time!